Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the new password app on your iPhone. Now, this is a new app that allows you to basically manage your passwords for different things like your passkey, your Wi-Fi, your QR code, and a bunch of more stuff right on the app, so you don't have to remember, you can share it and all that. But in order to get this new app, you need to be doing this, which is to get the requirement for this app. Now this app, if you go to the App Store currently, you can get it by searching it up here, password, just search up passwords, and then if you search that up, you want to look for basically this app. It's a utilities app from Apple. It's recently released, but the thing is, this needs to be if you have a phone with iOS 18 installed. Right now we have iOS 18 beta, that's why we're able to get it. As you can see, you need iOS 18. So first thing you can do in order to get this is that if you want to go ahead on beta version, you can do it right now, or you can simply wait till the official iOS 18 drops, which you can find in the settings, general, software update. And once you update your phone to iOS 18, the app will automatically download and be installed on your iPhone. Now, if for some reason you can't find it or don't see it, just go to the App Store and click on that get option, which will be available once you get to iOS 18, and then you can install that password app to manage all of your password within the app itself. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.